Welcome to today's practice, Qi Gong for better sleep. So a nighttime calm flow. Welcome everyone, welcome beautiful soul. If you're ready to experience deep restorative sleep, you're in exactly the right place. I'm Leaha Mattinson, and this gentle practice is designed specifically for you. Take a moment, gather yourself to be present in this space. Breath is inhale, exhale. This practice will prepare your body and mind for a more deep and restorative sleep. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Let's begin. So before we move, let's set our intention. Place your hands over your heart. Feet shoulder width apart. Knees are soft. Breath is inhale, exhale. Let go with a soft exhale. You know, your intention might be, I release into rest. You know, whatever intention you would like to hold that gently as we practice today. Continue breathing in through the nose, long, slow, deep. And exhale with a gentle ha. Inhale. Exhale. Feel stress leaving your body as you exhale, everything becoming more flexible, more relaxed, more present. And as we begin our practice today, feet are shoulder width apart. Crown of the head is drawn to the ceiling, knees are soft. Feel present, feel your feet connecting to the earth. Roots going down, down, down into the earth. Imagine them going deeper and deeper, anchoring you. So you're rooted, grounded, stable, and present. Take a nice deep breath in, inhale. Belly fills up, exhale. Belly contracts against the spine. Feel yourself arriving here, present. Inhale, exhale. Notice how your body feels. Inhale, exhale, and just continue breathing. Long, slow, deep. Good. Hands come around. We're going to start today's practice with a little shaking exercise that I call, and many of us call, the happy little dance. So with knees soft, just begin to bounce gently on your heels, not your toes, on your heels. Let your arms hang loose. And you're going to shake off the stress, all the worry. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And think of this like a 2-year-old having a tantrum. And they are having a fine tantrum. And that's how they release and relax and restore energy and activate energy. Inhale, exhale. And really shake out that tension. Good. Good. Gradually slow down and come to stillness and just notice what you have activated. Sparkling, tingling energy, strengthening your body and activating and getting your energy in flow. We call getting your qi flowing. Just notice, take stock of how your body feels. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Belly expands. Exhale. Belly contracts. Now feet just a little wider apart. We're going to do a movement called calming the waters. So feet a little wider than hip width apart. Arms are out to sides, palms facing down. And press the palms down slowly as you exhale. So inhale, exhale. Hands just come down on top of a sea of water. And then we're going to move our body side to side, rotating the spine, and our hands, fingertips glide across the surface of the top of the water, like smoothing the surface of water in front of us and behind us. Right, so our fingertips are floating, spine is rotating, arms are soft, wrists are soft, shoulders relaxed. And all of this rotation is coming from the center, from your spine. You're still really rooted and grounded. Feet are stable. And even slow it down even more and tickle the surface of the water with your hands. Good. Inhale, exhale. Good. Wonderful. Just bring it back to center. Arms around. Notice how your body feels. And with your arms still rounded in front, elbows relaxed. Just raise hands up like you're hugging a tree. So thumbs are pointed to the sky, shoulders relaxed. It can be a small tree, a larger tree. Holding on to this tree builds calming energy. So just breathe in like you're hugging this tree. It's rooted and grounded into the earth, and so are you. Relaxed, strong into your roots. Inhale, exhale. Good. Notice how your body feels. Strong yet in flow. Right? Good. Just put hands down. Relax. Good. We've strengthened your body. Release tension and tightness. Notice the difference in your body from when we started. Right? Bring feet together. Hands at belly. And if you can, if you have great balance, I want you to take stock with eyes closed, that your body will just gently rock and sway as you have your eyes closed. So this is what a few minutes of Qigong can do. It can bring us back to center. Your body was divinely designed for this kind of healing, so trust it. Right? You have unlocked some blocked energy in your whole body. Just a few minutes of Qigong. So your rest can be deep and restorative. You wake renewed and refreshed. And remember that you were created for wholeness. And if this practice helped you, you can do it right before bed if you're doing it midday right now. You can unlock blocked energy so that when you climb into bed, your body melts into your mattress. If this practice helped you, please subscribe and share it with someone who needs it, someone you love. Leave a comment and tell me how you're feeling, because I'd love to know. I'm Leaha Mattinson. Breathe deep, stay vital, and I'll see you in the next practice. If you've been able to stay with me at the end of the practice for another couple of minutes, then I want to invite you to do that. And we're just going to be rocking and swaying and holding close that intention. Good. And whenever you're ready to leave, enjoy the rest of your day. Take that energy to the rest of your day and into your dreams tonight. Right? Wonderful.